Hi, I'm Shane. If you're searching for the best EaseUS MobiMover lifetime discount code, you're definitely in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to grab your lifetime discount code, saving you up to 70% off. Yes, really, up to 70%. All you need to do is click the direct link in the video description. It takes you straight to the official EaseUS offer page. No searching around, no guesswork. Once you're there, look for the EaseUS MobiMover lifetime plan. The discount code should be automatically applied at checkout, so you don't have to lift a finger. Choosing the lifetime license gives you full access to all features with one payment and 0 renewals. It's a one-time purchase for a lifetime of smooth, hassle-free data transfers. And the best part is no more worrying about expired codes or shady deals. The discount is locked in through our exclusive link. Don't miss out on this chance to save big. Tap the link below, grab your EaseUS MobiMover lifetime discount code today, and enjoy secure, unlimited data transfers forever. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment below. I always appreciate hearing your thoughts, and